I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me.
Wow, ito pala yung pistachio.
Malambot na.
Pag-slice.
Parang nano.
Tikman na lang. Ito yung kumukulo.
Ayun na.
Alam mo yung ano, tumatakbo ka talaga eh. Yung sobrang lamig, pero pawis na pawis ka.
Sobrang lang tumutulo na.
Tapos yung tinatawag ka ng boss mo. Wait!
Ayun na.
Parang wala akong pakialam.
O sige, tingnan natin.
Kukunin ko na to.
Ay. Parang hindi pwede. Ano?
Masarap siya. Yeah. I like it.
To be honest.
Yeah, I'm honest.
Di ba pinicture, pre?
Marip. Yung grain ng pistachio, gumagano talaga sa teeth mo.
Panalo yun.
Grabe. I can't believe it.
Okay, you're next.
Oh, that's mine.
Crunchy siya.
Hindi naman tinatanong kung crunchy. Masarap ba?
Is it worth it?
So lang sa akin. Okay lang. Masarap. Mars D. Okay. Si Joaquin. Tingnan mo, tingnan mo, Mars. Oo, tingnan mo. Yung kay Joaquin kasi nakalabas na eh.
How is it?
There. Wow! Mga bata yan, hindi mo gisinungaling. Siri. Nako. This. Try.
Time.
Ayan. Bagong kasal.
Naku, may tatapon.
Hey, 1, 2, 3.
Sa'yo yung matatapon. May nakalawit kay Ramon.
Mag-green siya? No, the green thing I think is the crunchy one.
Wow.
So crunchy.
Crunchy.
Yeah. It's good? Yeah. I like it. It blends with the chocolate. This, what's that? The kunafa. It blends well. It's fine. Very good.
Is it worth the price?
Worth the price. Because the chocolate is also good. And the kunafa blends with it. Ay, sorry ha. Okay pala, okay.
Mag-English ako. The kunafa? Very good. Good.
It's okay. Yeah.
You like the green?
I like
The green color.
yes.
Okay.
May lumalaki.
Wait. Okay.
Masarap siya. Masarap.
All positive.
Mga bagay. Crunchy nga. 1, 2, 3. Go.
Let's eat.
More. Yummy. They want more.
Enough na. Marami pa kayo.
Easy. Good.
Dari na masarap?
Good. Dami. Do.
Dami masarap?
Misha.
Ay, si.
One more.
Oh.
Delicious.
I love it.
Na. Dam.
Right?
Oh?
Misha, ikaw. Misha, more.
Oh, dam.
Sarap? Yum, yum.
Yum. Yes, get mo na.
Yum talaga. Oh.
Enough na.
Yes, Kuya Darren.
Last na lang.
But it's okay.
Get all.
Ako na lang.
Yan. Gab.
Dam.
Gab daw. Dom.
Ah.
Kasi hindi pa sila nakapaghugas ng...
Great.
Last one.